Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen, and in today's video I am going to be unboxing my fall decor. It doesn't mean I'm decorating. I'm certainly ready to decorate, but I'm not going to be decorating yet because it is only August 1st. But it's really good to do this with each season that you decorate for, so you can kind of assess what you already have. Maybe pick a direction that you want to go and make a list of things that you want to add to your collection so that you don't buy anything that you don't need. And I actually did this as a collaboration last year with one of my favorite YouTubers, Maranda, Kristen. I'm gonna link both of our videos in the description box below if you want to check them out from last year. But we're doing it again together this year, and I know you guys have heard me talk about Maranda. I just love her so much. I kind of think of her as like my little sister here on YouTube. She is, first of all, she's so cute. She's so nice. She's just a beautiful person inside and out, and she has the cutest farmhouse. I love it so much, and this is her first fall there. And I remember how excited I was last year to decorate this house for the first time for fall, so I know she is chomping at the bit to get to decorating. And last year, she had a terrible accident happen at her house during the fall, so she didn't get to have fall decor. So let's go show her some love. Let's make this the best fall ever for her, you guys. Everyone, please go check her out. I will have her video and her channel and everything linked in the description box below. And she's gonna be doing the same thing, unboxing her amazing fall decor. So I have 3 boxes of fall decor sitting in front of me. I have not gone through them yet, but I am so excited to. I just love pulling out my seasonal decor. So with all of that being said, let's crack into these boxes. All right, so we're gonna start with that big yellow box. This box is huge, you guys. It's a 50-gallon box, but there's some larger items in it, I know. So it has most of my pillows. So we have this one. This one came from, it has a hair on it. This one came from a TJ Maxx or a Home Goods. This one was a gift from my sweet friend Julie from the channel Julie Simply Love. And by the way, you guys, if I look like I'm looking up or something, I'm using a new camera and I'm trying to get used to it. There's a viewfinder that looks at me and I keep looking into it and not knowing where to look. So that's what's going on here. These pillows actually had a little bit of like a cult following when I first got them. They are from JCPenney. And if they're available again this year, I'll try to link them for you guys. I have this pillow. This was from Big Lots, and they have this again this year. I think it's in a burgundy color though. This one is more of like a mix of a burgundy and a rust, but the Big Lots website says burgundy. And then I have 2 of these pillows. I love these. The back side is just like a rust velvet, and these came from TJ Maxx. Also inside are these foam pumpkins from Walmart. I think these are like $6 at Walmart. They're a really good buy. I have some velvet pumpkins. These two are from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. This one is from Hobby Lobby and it's back again this year. I have a couple little Target dollar spot pumpkins. I have a fall garland. This one is from Michael's. I have my fall wreath. This one is from Pier 1. I have this thankful glittery pumpkin, which is from, I think this is from Home Goods, and I'm thinking of using this in my wedding decor as well as some other stuff. So that's another reason why I'm excited to pull this stuff out. We did pick a wedding date. It's gonna be in October 2020, so next fall. And I wanna play around with some of my stuff before I start decorating to kind of, you know, make cute little vignettes that I might be able to set up at the venue. There is a huge bar at the venue, okay? It's like almost like an old Western style bar that is probably like 30 people or 40 people could stand along. So I wanna decorate that up a little bit with some things that I already have. And then I have this little boxwood pumpkin from Target Dollar Spot. And that's everything that's in the first box. It looked like it was gonna be a lot more, but really all of these pillows took up so much room in the box, and I have so many pillows. That's why I needed that huge 50-gallon tub. So if you guys have a better way to store pillows, like if you vacuum seal them or something, let me know, because I definitely need a better storage method for them. Oh, I lied, there was one more thing in the box, my DIY from last year. I love this DIY. A lot of times, I'm not even gonna lie, you guys, a lot of times I toss my DIYs because I usually make them out of really cheap supplies. I know they're gonna break in storage, and my style changes each year, but I saved this one. I did this with all Dollar Tree supplies. I'll link it below, and the back side is this Beware. And it just comes this way from Dollar Tree. And I did see on the Dollar Tree website that these are coming back this year. So this is a great item to pick up because it's just so darn cute, but it's good to craft with also. Okay, now we're getting into one of the smaller boxes, and I have another one of these Big Lots pillows. I also have this huge bag that just looks like it's full of pumpkins, so I probably won't pull every single one of these out, but if I have any good ones. I have quite a few of the Target Dollar Spot, like little suede pumpkins. I have quite a few of these little velvet pumpkins with the glitter stems from Bath and Body Works. I have some older Target Dollar Spot ceramic pumpkins, and there's some Dollar Tree ones in here, and then this one with the glitter stem from At Home. And I didn't end up using this last year because it just didn't match my style, but I definitely could see myself using this in some way at my wedding. So I am not so mad about not using it anymore. No, okay, so my buffalo check pumpkin from Kirkland's, the little stem came out, but it went right back in. I have another velvet pumpkin. Obviously, I've told you guys before, I have a velvet pumpkin obsession. More velvet pumpkins, this little pick from Hobby Lobby, and they have this again this year. I have this mini witch's broom from the Target Dollar Spot. I don't have very much Halloween decor, so I keep them all, like my Halloween and my fall together. This has the majority of what I have for Halloween. I'm obsessed with this sign. I got this in my Decor Created fall box. I'm actually going to show you guys a preview of that probably in one of my next videos. So the one side is fall, and then this is my favorite side. This sign alone inspired me to decorate for Halloween last year when I wasn't even going to at all. I just think it's so cute. I have a little Dollar Tree pumpkin that I put a buffalo check ribbon on. I have two of these actually, they're so cute. A mercury glass skull. This is from Dollar Tree. I wish they would bring these back because they're really pretty actually. So I tend to wrap my glass decor in like random things like old t-shirts and old towels, even old pillowcases, that kind of stuff. So this is actually one of these like lidded candy bowls almost. I think that's from Target Dollar Spot. I also have this kind of book of spells ceramic piece from the Target Dollar Spot. I have this pumpkin. This was from my Decor Created fall box. I love this. I have one of these Dollar Tree cream and gold pumpkins. They have these back this year. And I just posted a picture in my community tab of how I'm asking my best friends to be my bridesmaids, and I'm using this in that. So check out my community tab if you want to see how I use this in a gift basket. And then I also have this piece here. This is one of my favorite pieces of home decor. It has the cream and white velvet pumpkins, the lamb's ear, there's pearls and like fake crystals and stuff on it. This is so pretty, you guys, but this is not really my style anymore. I actually still really love this style, and I will love seeing it in other people's homes. I may still end up using this in my dining room. We'll see. I used it in my dining room last year, and it's just such a gorgeous piece that I don't see myself parting with it, but I'm wanting to go more traditional in my colors and just, you know, in the textures and stuff this year, and this is a little bit more modern, although I do think that velvet pumpkins will work well with a more, you know, traditional feel. So that's everything that was in the second box. We have one more to go, and it has my best stuff in it. So the first thing I pulled out of the box are these little like leaf plates. You can use these as a spoon rest. or as a candle plate. It also looks like I have another candy bowl, like a white pumpkin candy bowl. I'm not seeing the lid though. I hope that I didn't break it last year or something. This is what I mean, you guys. I wrap my stuff in like old t-shirts and things like that, but it's a good way to keep your stuff safe if you're not even using your t-shirt. So here is half of a gourd. Here is the other half. This is so pretty. I love copper and rose gold. I don't decorate with it as much anymore. I would love to start adding a lot more copper back into my decor as opposed to rose gold, but I just love the way that the copper and rose gold looks against white. So this is something that I didn't have a place for last year, but I just don't see myself parting with it because it's just so pretty. And I may be able to incorporate this somehow into my wedding, we'll see. Next up, we have this big guy, and I love this pumpkin. It is this white pumpkin with the holes in it and the gold stem. And there is a candle that goes inside, it just pops out. Ooh, I accidentally left the battery in. I heard you're not supposed to do that, but I live life on the edge and you probably can't see, but it just kind of illuminates through the holes. And I was kind of thinking for a fall wedding, how pretty and unique would it be to have like a real white pumpkin as your centerpiece with like drilled holes in it and a candle coming through the bottom just like this. That's kind of one idea that I'm toying around with. I have so many ideas. I would love to just do, you know, flowers as well, but whatever I do, it needs to be budget friendly, it needs to be beautiful, and it needs to be something that you don't see at every fall wedding. So I'm toying around with some ideas. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on that. I found the lid to the candy jar or candy bowl. I also have this here. It's wrapped in a tank top. And it is this vase with some greenery and some white pumpkins. I know this was from TJ Maxx, and I think I already told you guys this story last year, but when I picked this up and I was taking it up to the register, a lady almost tried to bribe me out of this. She wanted it, and I'm like, no, lady, there's more. You can go grab yourself one. So I don't know if I'll be using this year because it is so neutral, but it is an adorable piece. I also have this sign from the Target dollar spot. It even still has the tag on it. I know that I used this about 2 or 3 falls ago, and I love the colors on that. I also have one of these Dollar Tree copper pumpkins. I love that some of these Dollar Tree pumpkins are like straight up copper, like an orangey metallic and not a rose gold, because I'm more of a copper person, but I just think these are so cute. I might even just set that right there. Oh, I have another one. Now we're getting into the good stuff, you guys. This is wrapped in like a body pillowcase. Okay, so I have this glass pumpkin. It's mercury glass. It's kind of like a silvery, rose gold, orangey sort of a color, and I really want to do a display with all of my mercury glass pumpkins at my wedding. So this one does not light up. I would love to get some that light up for my wedding. And yeah, so that is this. And I don't think I'm going to be using these in my decor this year, maybe in my dining room. All of the stuff that's like a maybe I might use in my dining room because I don't want to buy a ton of new decor, but this is a little bit too modern for the style that I'm going for. I also have this guy here, and this is a beautiful one. This is a rose gold mercury glass, crackled glass pumpkin. This one does have a light, so that'll be so pretty for like a nighttime reception. I have another item here. Oh, it is another mercury glass pumpkin. This one is like a grayish navy blue. It's very cute and petite. It says it was only $4.99 at probably a Home Goods. It doesn't say where. I think I know what these two are. I bought these pumpkins last year, and they're actually wrapped up in really cute fall dish towels that I have. They are both these glass pumpkins with the, it's like rose gold speckles and then a crystal knob top. So pretty. These would be cute for wedding decor as well. We are down to 2 final items. I have this one here, and I've had this guy for ages. It is this mercury glass pumpkin. It does have like a battery pack in the bottom, but it's not turning on. This was $10 at a Dollar General, and I'm pretty sure they come back with this every year. So if you're looking for something like this, check Dollar General. This would be cute at my wedding. And then last but not least, I have to be really careful with this piece because if you watched my video last year, then you know that this cracked during my move to this house. So the bottom cracked, and it looks like the entire glass bottom is gone. I need to put felt or something over it. But it is this beautiful mercury glass pumpkin. This is large. I got this at a TJ Maxx 3 or 4 years ago, and it was only $14.99 when I bought it. Now these are like $19.99, $24.99. They're definitely a lot more money, so I'm happy that I snagged this one when I did. It just gives me Cinderella vibes, and I love it so much. So hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing my fall decor. Even though I showed you all this stuff, I have a feeling that my vibe will be much different than the things that you see here. So if you like all this stuff and you want to see some inspiration, I'm gonna link all of my fall home tours in the description box below. I think I only have 2 other fall home tours. I don't know how long I've been on YouTube now. I'm drawing a blank. So I'll link them below though if you want to check them out. So thank you guys for spending a little bit of time with me. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you have not already, and I will catch you in a future video. Bye now.